Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. Stealth, speed, and cutting-edge technology converge in the F-35 Lightning II, the pinnacle of U.S. aviation engineering. Designed to dominate the skies, the F-35 is not merely a fighter jet. It's a versatile, multi-role aircraft that represents a quantum leap in air combat capabilities. The F-35 is a complementary product of the Joint Strike Fighter program, aimed at rationally meeting Air Force, Navy, and Marine Corps requirements. It includes a spectrum of conflicting stealth and radar or sensor technologies. The fascinating story of the F-35, marked by groundbreaking successes and monumental challenges, precisely illustrates its vital role in forming strategies for the future of air combat. While built on the Joint Strike Fighter program initiated in the 1990s, the F-35 was designed to meet the varied requirements of the various branches of the U.S. military and allied forces, making available three main variants according to their varying operational requirements. The most widely used variant in the F-35 program is the F-35A. It's designed for conventional takeoff and landing, permitting it to take off and land on standard air bases. It's the lightest of the three variants, allowing for agility and a high payload capacity, which enhances its effectiveness in combat over long ranges. The F-35B variant is built for short takeoff and vertical landing, and was specifically designed for the U.S. Marine Corps and allies with similar operational requirements. The F-35C is specially designed for carrier operations, with larger wings and tougher landing gear installed to withstand the impact of catapult launches and arrested recoveries. The F-35B variant stands out as the most sophisticated version of the F-35 family, primarily due to its complex structural design and advanced technological features. Despite all F-35 variants sharing a similar structural design, the F-35B incorporates unique systems to support its short takeoff and vertical landing capability, making its structure the most complicated among the three. This complexity is required to house the innovative lift fan and swiveling nozzles that allow for the STOVL operations essential for the U.S. Marine Corps and other operators requiring flexible deployment possibilities. Northrop Grumman participates in the F-35 Lightning II development and production, supplying critical components and systems that augment the capabilities of the plane. Among these contributions are an active electronically scanned array radar and the electro-optical AN/AAQ-37 distributed aperture system, which give the F-35 high situational awareness and targeting capabilities. Integrated Assembly Line by Northrop Grumman incorporates advanced manufacturing techniques on the F-35 program. This This assembly system is said to be highly automated and will be employed to its advantage in constructing the center fuselage for all variants of F-35 with high efficiency, affordability, and precision. The IAL epitomizes the state-of-the-art manufacturing processes that are critical in ensuring that the F-35 will remain a dominant fifth-generation fighter in terms of performance and cost efficiency. Another innovative aspect of producing the F-35 is projecting work instructions on the assembly area, making the assembly process imperatively efficient. Some numerous fasteners and sensors require knowledge about where to place them and their specifications for the structural integrity of the plane and its operational utility during the construction of the F-35. Remembering where and how to place these components can be daunting. Projectors are thus used to beam instructions directly onto the airframe, guiding the technicians through the complex assembly steps in real time. This system helps bestow speed on the assembly process, while also demoting the chances of errors involved, ensuring that every jet attains quality, as those in the advanced engineering fraternity demand. After preliminary assembly and basic testing of the airframe, it's transported to the UK, where BAE Systems will conduct further very rigorous physical tests. Whereas computational simulations and software are of enormous value in the initial test phases, it is under physical tests conducted by BAE Systems that their real importance will be seen. These are meant to ensure that the airframe will be capable of surviving real-world physical conditions that can't be completely defined by simulations, and will thus ensure the F-35's readiness for punishing environments encountered in active duty. The F-35 Lightning II is a very sophisticated fighter airplane, with specifications designed to cater to several combat roles. It's normally a one-man aerobatics aircraft that is 51.4 feet long, has a wingspan of 35 feet, and stands 14.4 feet tall. The F-35 has a wing area of 460 square feet. Thus, it exhibits greater aero efficiency. The lightness of the structure has been given top priority, with the empty weight coming in at 29,300 pounds, while the gross is 49,540 pounds. The maximum takeoff weight has been achieved at an astonishing 65,918 pounds. A single Pratt & Whitney F135 PW100 afterburning turbofan is used for F-35, producing 28,000 pounds of thrust, or with afterburner, up to 43,000 pounds for supersonic flight. An impressive array of specifications. As far as performance is concerned, the F-35 reaches a maximum speed of Mach 1.6 at high altitude and Mach 1.06 at sea level. The range of the F-35 is 1,500 nautical miles with bomber configurations and variable for combat configurations. At 50,000 feet, the jet trades jolted G-forces up to 9 Gs, more proof of a robust design and advanced design engineering. It can fire a GAU-22A cannon, round rotary 25mm. It has pods to house air-to-air missiles, like AIM-9X Sidewinder, AIM-120 AMRAAM missile to surface, and also has nuclear bombs. These are state-of-the-art avionics, such as the AN/APG-81 AESA radar and various electronic warfare systems, which boost overall combat capability and survivability in hostile environments. These easy specifications give rise to the F-35's very character as a multi-role combat jet, designed within its framework for far-reaching military operations. The Rafale was developed by the French company Dassault Aviation as a multi-role fighter, which could perform air supremacy, interdiction, aerial reconnaissance, ground support, in-depth strike, anti-ship strike, and nuclear deterrence missions. Development of the Rafale began in the early 1980s to replace a multitude of platforms throughout the French armed forces. By the late 1990s, the aircraft had entered service, officially becoming operational with the French Navy and Air Force. Its design amounts to a balance between performance, maneuverability, and accuracy, and it's armed with a complete range of sensors and weapon systems, enabling it to conduct many military operations efficiently. Its stealth aspects don't give it a fifth-generation status title firmly held by the F-35. However, they substantially improve its survivability in aversive situations. Depending on the variant, it can be manned by 1 or 2 crew members. It is 50 feet 1 inch long, 35 9 inches in wingspan, and 17 feet 6 inches tall. The wing area is valued at 492 square feet, thus giving it a nice lift-to-weight ratio. The heavy weight of the Rafale varies with the variant, starting from about 21,720 pounds for the C variant, up to that of the M variant, which is about 23,400 pounds. The gross takeoff weight for the aircraft is valued at 33,069 pounds, and it can reach up to that of 54,013 pounds. The fuel carrying capacity of the aircraft varies with the variant. In the case of the internal ones, up to 10,362 pounds. Two Snecma M88 4E turbofans are used by the aircraft. Each one feeds thrust of up to 17,000 pounds with an afterburner. The Rafale exhibits strong performance statistics, attaining a maximum speed of Mach 1.8 at high altitude and Mach 1.1 at low altitude. It boasts a service ceiling of over 50,000 feet and can withstand G-forces up to +9 and down to -3.6, thanks to a rigid airframe and new fly-by-wire control systems. The F-35's variants are a result of any specific requirements of the U.S. military and other allied forces, along with advancements in the integration of technology and strategic design choices in support of its role in the future of air combat. On the other hand, the Rafale still shows off its prowess in various conflicts, proving its worth as a multi-role fighter on the international stage. These planes, with their innovative designs and technical specifications, both reflect a significant leap in military aviation, presenting capabilities and versatility unlike any other. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.